Let's give a big round of applause to Syed Sadat Pasha sir. You may be wondering suddenly someone came here and who is this guy? Well, my name is Mohammed Haris. I am the manager at Ali Public School and Ali PU College managed by Jamia Sayyidina Nasibur Malik. That's in Gobigate Check Post. So I would really want to thank Syed Sadat Pasha sir. It was a great event and a great presentation. I promise you that if you really work on it 100%, you are going to get 90 plus in your SLC. And let me tell you the good news. On behalf of Ali PU College, if you get 90%, you can just show the result to your parent and say like, I have earned my own education. I am going to get the free education for complete first PU and second PUC at Ali PU College. It is open for everyone here. You score 90%, we provide you free education, that's our promise. And, well, I would like to check how are you all doing today? And by the way, let me say like, I am actually not well. I have a fever of 104 degree. Okay? And I did not want to mention that this is just to motivate you that if you are really committed, focused, if you have the dedication, you will keep going like Sadasar said. Okay, so along with our general education, we also have something called Ali English House Academy, where we teach every one of you how to come and speak on the stage. I am a certified trainer from the international motivational speaker Munawar Zaman sir. I got trained and certified from him. So if you join at Ali Public or Ali PU College, what you have for free is Ali English House Academy. Along with that, our own Syed Pasha sir. He is our regular trainer. We have something called Ali IAS Academy and he is a regular trainer there. Every Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, we have the training from Syed Sadat Pasha sir, and if you are joining there, absolutely, that also comes free for you. So our only vision is that this entire Tumkur, this minority communities, they have to come forward in life. Like we say, Maulana Azad, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, the first education minister of India. Like him, you all have to excel in all the fields of life. I'm sure all these shortcuts, all these methods will definitely help you excel in your SLC examination and you all will qualify to earn the free seats, and I'm sure we have the best faculty. Iftikhar sir who has worked in Bidar Shaheen and Zamro sir who has worked in Global Shaheen and many other schools, more than 15 years of experience. Rafiq sir who is expert in mathematics. So all those best faculty we have kept it, and at the least fees all over in Tumkur, just at 35,000. That too if you register now, we have a pre-registration. If you have to just register, then you get another 5,000 discount, and for commerce it is even just like the 20,000. That too if you pre-register it is 15,000. So all these events, it is my responsibility as Syed Pasha sir said, you can excel in SLC exam, but it is also my responsibility if you want to be a public speaker like Syed Pasha sir. Do you want to be like the Sadat Pasha sir? How many of you wants to be? Yeah, Syed Pasha sir tara public speaker, celebrity or motivational speaker ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಇದು just one week of training, that too which is free. We will make you, I will make you that public speaker. So can we all do that? Okay, and along with that we also have a crash course, SLC crash course which is completely free. Every day it is early morning at 6:45, but today only on Saturday it is evening at 4:30. So today at 4:30, can you all join us for our crash course? Free tuition. We have the physics class from the expert faculty. Please come and join us at 4:30. How many of you will try? Please raise your hand. At 4:30, if you come by 5 o'clock also it is okay. Okay, we also have the free transport. We will provide you the details there. And finally, last one tip I wanted to give for your SLC examination. There is something called visualization. We know these winners of Olympics, how they win this gold medal, how they become a world champion. Along with the hard work, they have one more thing, that's visualization. Every morning and every night before going to sleep, they imagine, they visualize that my name is coming in the newspaper, I am coming in the podium, all my management, principal, all the ministers, they are coming here, they are felicitating me, and my name is announced there, Mr. So-and-so, all of you imagine your own name, Mr. Dash has secured 98% in Karnataka SLC examination. All the management of Maulana Azad and other institutions, the BOs, the district officers, all are congratulating. You have to do what? Imagination. क्या करना? Imagination. उसके बारे में आप YouTube में भी check कर सकते हैं. So the power of imagination you need to really practice. Another is positive thinking, like Sadat Pasha sir said, and also the hard work. If you are not well, I got the fever, my wife had to close and lock the door, you don't go outside. Somehow I managed to excuse. Because I have that vision, I have the visualization. Okay, I'm sure you all will follow that and take it positively. Like please follow all the rules and all the shortcuts what Sayyid Pasha said. If you definitely follow all those practice rules, I may think like after the examination, when the result comes, they may doubt like there was a mass copying or there was question people leak out. Because the techniques what Pasha sir has given, absolutely all can score more than 90%. With that now, I would like to really thank our Mahbub Pasha sir and the minority BO sir and all the organizers here, and I invite you again to our Ali Pugh College today evening at 4:30. My name is Mohammed Haris. Thank you very much and very good luck for all of you. Thank you.